Welcome to wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here, fill in the blanks. If tan A equal to 5 by 12, then sin A equal to what? Now let's visualize this on a triangle. We are given, let's assume this is A, B, C, right angled at B. We are given tan A, meaning opposite upon adjacent. So 5x divided by 12x. So measures of AB and BC are 5x and 12x. So let's see. Since these are trigonometric ratios, we have to assume a factor of x in entire length. Therefore, we can say by Pythagoras theorem, AC square equal to AB square plus BC square, which is equal to 12x square plus 5x square, which is equal to 144x square plus 25x square, which is equal to 169x square. Therefore, AC square is equal to 13x whole square. So AC we get as 13x units. Actually, we get both positive and negative, but since this is length, we discard negative value. So this is 13x. We know sin A equal to opposite upon hypotenuse. So let's see, sin A equal to 5x upon 13x, which is equal to 5 by 13. So this is the answer.